In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks tips, how to match bank transactions. Matching bank transactions is a simple routine that keeps your books clean, prevents duplicates, and makes your financial reports accurate. It links what your bank shows with what you've already recorded in QuickBooks, so everything lines up perfectly. Start on the left panel and click Accounting. This is your hub for keeping accounts organized. From there, go to the Bank Transactions tab. This is where you'll see your bank feed, which pulls in recent activity from your connected bank and presents it for categorization and matching. Think of this feed as your inbox for money coming in and out. Each line is a transaction waiting to be reviewed. QuickBooks will automatically try to match transactions for you. It looks at details like dates, amounts, and descriptions to find the best corresponding record you've already entered, such as an invoice payment or an expense. When it finds a likely match, all you need to do is click Match to confirm it. Before you click, take a quick second to scan the amount and timing. If they align with what you expect, you're set. Confirming these suggested matches keeps your workflow fast and helps avoid extra entries cluttering your ledger. If QuickBooks doesn't detect a match for a particular transaction, no problem. You can handle it manually. Just click on the transaction to open it, then select Match to manually match it yourself. This tells QuickBooks which existing record it should connect to that bank line. As you do this, make sure the details make sense. The amounts should be identical, and the date should be reasonably close to when the money moved in the bank. Taking that brief moment to verify will save headaches later and keep your account balances trustworthy. You'll repeat this process down the list, confirming the automatic suggestions with Match and manually choosing Match for any items that weren't detected. It's straightforward, and the more consistently you do it, the quicker it becomes. Your goal is to make sure each bank feed line is accurately linked to what's already in your books. That's all there is to it. Click Accounting, open the Bank Transactions tab, confirm the automatic matches with Match, and when a match isn't detected, click the transaction and select Match yourself. With this routine, your records will stay clean, your reports will reflect reality, and your month-end reviews will be much smoother.